Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed. And today, you already know from the title, I wanted to do a very bold, cool tone eye with a hot pink pop of a bold lip. So yeah, I didn't really have any inspiration for this other than I found silver glitter that I wanted to play with and I thought it would be fun. So I hope you guys like the video. Make sure if you do, you give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. I always have it linked down below in the description bar. And without further ado, I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get into the video. Okay, I am prepared, kinda. Not really. I'm gonna prime my eyes quickly with the ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair 00, which is just plain white. We're gonna go ahead, prep our eyeballs, and I'm gonna go ahead and apologize because my kid's not running around in the living room for this one, but I had to start laundry. I'm in the middle of my work week, so I need to wash scrubs. Sorry. So I have two different glitters out. I have a palette out that has come equipped with some gray, some silver, and some black, because that's just what I'm wanting to do today. So we're obviously gonna do, there's something in this eye. I want to do like a gray, black, silver situation. So this is the Jeffree Star and Morphe palette. Well, Morphe X Jeffree Star, you know what I'm talking about, y'all, okay? And I'm gonna go in with Vroom Vroom, which is just this matte charcoaly gray, and I'm going in with a fuzzy creasy brush. Sorry, I'm having to move some things around. And I'm gonna start off with this in my crease. And I'm just gonna start to build it up. I'm not doing the extended eye shape like I have been. I'm just rounding it out, doing a good half circle. Yeah, just like that. Once I have my crease built in, I'm gonna pack this gray onto my outer lid and my inner lid. My inner corner of my lid. You know, y'all know what I'm trying to say. And I'm just gonna leave the very center of my eyelid open as much as I can. We're gonna fix it here in like 5 seconds with concealer. But really quick with whatever's left on my brush, I'm just blending out these edges and trying to get rid of any harshness. I just want this to be a super blown out smoky eye. See how it's creating that gradient? Beautiful. I just took that same white concealer on a tiny, I just took that white concealer on a super tiny little concealer brush. I'm gonna pack it right on the center of my lid. You can kind of look up to get where your natural crease is. This does not have to be perfect. You're literally just wanting to create a good base. I tend to make mine larger than what I need so that I can go back in with what I want and fix it. Okay, so I'm gonna go into Custom Rims, which is this really pretty shimmery silver, you can't even see it, this really pretty shimmery silver out of the Jeffree Star palette, and I'm just gonna start packing that over that concealer. Going back in with that crease brush and the Vroom Vroom gray shade. I'm gonna buff into my crease over that concealer and silver to just kind of blend it out a little bit. And then I'm slowly packing it back on my inner corner and fixing that star cast line. So, I don't think I've talked to you guys since my 2021 goals video and like my new planner and stuff. How have you been? How is your New Year's? I'm kind of just stamping this over the top of that silver because I don't want my silver up quite that high. Like so. And then I have out this L'Oreal Pressed Pigment. This is their infallible eyeshadow in Silver Sky, but it's pretty much the exact same shade. So I also have out this Wet n Wild, not opened yet. I bought it for 31 days of Halloween, but please go and try it again. This is from Wet n Wild. It's their Fantasy Makers glitter gel, and this is in the shade Fabulous. It's just a silver. Look at that. Still got the thing on it. Oh yeah. It's just a silver dew gel. So I'm going to take a little bit off of the lid with my pinky. Oh my god, come off. Oh. SARS. I'm going to take a little bit off of the lid with my pinky. And I'm just going to start to build this right on that silver. Like so, just to give it a little razzle dazzle. And then I'm quickly going to jump back into the Custom Rim Silver eyeshadow. And pack that over just to give an extra bloom. You know, the bloom. Blooms are important. So now I'm going to go in with Fast Lane out of the Morphe palette. It's just the matte black, and I'm going to take it on a clean, like super fluffy brush. Tap out all my excess. And I'm just going to slightly darken my inner and outer corners. Just a little. And I'm gonna kind of bring that up to my crease. Slow and steady. Blend it all back out with the gray. Okay, we're stopping here for like 5 seconds. I'm gonna hop off of here and do my other eye and throw on my face makeup, and we shall return. Okay, we are back. We're thriving over here with my angry, very stark, dark eyebrows that don't match. It's totally fine. We're moving on. We're moving on. I'm going to quickly tighten my eyes with the NYX retractable eyeliner in black. And now that that's done, we're gonna focus on the lower lash line. So all I'm gonna do is take the Vroom Vroom shade, that gray, smoky gray shade we've used for pretty much the entire look. And I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. And I'm gonna go ahead and connect it up. I'm probably gonna smoke it down just a little bit more. Just super smoky. And I'm sorry, I'm looking for my brush. One day I'm gonna have everything set out for my video and we will not be skipping. Okay, so with a tiny, tiny, tiny little itty bitty brush, I'm gonna go in with Welcome, which is just the lightest shimmery shade in this palette, and I'm gonna pop it to my inner corner, and I'm bringing that down quite a bit. You know what? It's actually a super pretty shade. I'm gonna throw a little bit of it on my lid. Just to tie everything in, and then what's left on my brush, I'm just gonna whoop, run right there just for an added highlight, because we're super highlighted today. When am I not super highlighted though? Am I right? Am I right? Sorry, that's my cup over here. Ellie's mom. Killing the game. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna quickly hop off the screen one more freaking time. I'm not gonna do a wing. I'm just gonna do a very thin little line over my top lash line. I'm gonna throw on a little bit of mascara, and today I'm gonna run in with the Kiss Ritzy lashes, which are my favorite false lashes. So let me throw all that on, and we will be right back to throw on a lip. Okay, we are back. The eyes are done. I did end up doing the tiniest little flick of a wing simply because, well, I suck at eyeliner and I fucked it up. Okay, so the only thing left to do for this look is obviously gonna be a lip. And I wanted to throw this out. I don't think I've ever used it, and if I have, I only used it once. It looks like I have used it. This is the Jeffree What the Fuck from Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson's Conspiracy Collection. I wanted a bold hot pink lip because I don't do a lot of hot pink bold lip. Normally when I say bold, I mean black or like a super dark red. So we're gonna go in with a hot pink. Jeffree What the Fuck. I literally look like I have no top lip. Sorry. Okay, and we are done. I feel like my lips are uneven, and they are a little bit, and it's okay. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure if you did while you were watching, you give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I am doing a giveaway again at 600 subscribers, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. Just say hey. Do whatever you want to do, but I love getting comments, so I will reply to you. You can leave me a comment down below with something you want to see in the future, or that you like this look, that you want to see more stuff like this, or whatever. Yeah, I'm really gonna stop rambling because I don't even know what I'm saying now. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.